So if you're into robotics and just the latest in animated and interactive tech, you'll want to check out JIBO. Let's check it out. So hey guys, one of the most common themes here at the show is robotics. So here we're looking at JIBO, and JIBO is a robot, and this is a social robot for your home. JIBO does have a lot of tech inside. Not only can he play music like a lot of the smart speakers can today, like Amazon and Alexa, but JIBO goes beyond that. JIBO recognizes you when you walk in the room. Eventually JIBO is going to be able to give you a message because it knows that you are who you are, and someone in your home wants to leave you a message about something that's important. JIBO is an open platform that's going to give you the ability, if you're a developer, to develop applications for JIBO as well. It is software upgradable over the air. It's new, just recently launched, and it's just under $1,000 here available at CES. Also, cool thing about it is that it has some really neat commands. Not only can you ask it to play music, but it could also even twerk. Now, JIBO has many skills. Let's see one of the cool ones.
Hey JIBO, can you twerk?
My face.
That's cute. I'm sold already. I already want one. Very nice. So that was JIBO. I think you're going to be seeing a lot of this little guy all over the place as more and more people start getting into these little automated robots. So check it out. I'll include details and links about the product in the comment area below. And thanks for watching.